Differentiate y equals to exponent negative x ln x with respect to x. We're going to use product rules because we have two different functions in terms of product. Differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy dx equals to vu prime plus uv prime. V, which is the ln x, differentiate exponent negative x, negative exponent negative x, plus exponent negative x, differentiate ln x, we're going to get 1 over x. Let's take out the least common factor, which is exponent negative x. Then exponent negative x here, negative times with the ln x, negative ln x, and we take out positive 1 over x.